Most leaders don't actually struggle with what to say. They struggle with how they feel when they say it. Meaning, I don't even believe what I'm saying, so nobody else is going to believe it either. If you've ever hit record and instantly overthought every single word that came out of your mouth, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down how to feel grounded, how to feel confident, and actually in control on camera. And this is one of the most crucial things that you can learn to be a leader in your industry on camera. We all need more video. We all need more visibility. And so watch this video to find out exactly my 3 things that are going to serve and support you on a different level. My earlier videos, yeah, I wasn't confident. So far from it. But I kept showing up. Every post, every podcast, every video, I kept putting in the reps. That's what built my confidence, not because I was great, but because I kept showing up even through the fear, even when no one was watching, even when I didn't feel like it was working. I continuously showed up over and over and over. And after coaching hundreds of women entrepreneurs to get visible online, I've seen this truth over and over. Confidence is not born. It is built. You build your confidence every day. You say yes to yourself when you don't want to do something, when you keep your promise to yourself. That is what builds confidence. When you do things that are uncomfortable, it builds self-confidence, and we want more of that. I didn't always appear confident. There are still times I don't appear confident, but I show up anyhow. The next thing is we want to find ways to really help us get on video. One of my favorite ways, and I do multiple of these, it just depends on the day, is what I call a grounded conviction ritual. So you are going to sit in front of your camera. You're going to look in your camera, and you are going to put your feet flat on the ground. If you're standing up, I'm standing up. And you're just going to take some deep breaths in and out. And I picture her, that woman that I'm speaking to, that woman that I know is on the verge of a massive breakthrough. She just isn't known. People just don't know who she is. And so I really start to feel this person. And I imagine her struggles, and I know that I can help her. And that, my friends, is one of my favorite ways to really get grounded before I get on video. Because if I am in that zone, people are going to feel it through the camera. And that's what we want. Another thing we can do to get confident on camera or to get on camera is a hype song. Now, we all have that song. Right now, I'm in my Taylor Swift Life of a Showgirl era. And so those are my songs, but those change. What is your hype song? What is the song that makes you feel invincible? What is the song that makes you feel like you can do anything? Music regulates our energy. It's not fluff. Pick your hype song. You know, I've used Taylor Swift, worship music, whatever gets me in the zone. Find it, use it, and you will feel unstoppable. The next thing is that we forget to capture the moments when we're really in it and we really, really feel it. And I want that for you. There are moments in your day, there are moments in your week, in your month where we overlook these moments because we think perfection is the way. And perfection is the enemy of connection. You want to connect with somebody? Show up when you're feeling it. Show up when you're convicted. Say it when you feel it. Record it when you feel inspired. Right after the win, right after the breakthrough. Don't wait until I got a good script for this. Go pour your heart out on video and watch the way that people are attracted and magnetized to you. There is nothing better than that. Confidence isn't about perfection. It's about trusting yourself enough to press record. Visibility equals trust, and trust scales leadership and helps you increase your sales, right? Because it scales faster than any other marketing strategy that is out there. If you're ready to finally feel confident on camera and really truly lead with conviction, let's chat. I have a link in the description where you can schedule a call and we can get you more confident on camera and showing up consistently and convicted so that people cannot resist what you have to offer.